Hello, I am traditional artist Merlot, and today you and I are going to be drawing Anya Forger from Spy Family as a mermaid. Stick to the end to see the final result. Now to get started, I am working with alcohol markers, and I wanted to do something a bit different. So instead of drawing OCs that nobody really knows, I wanted to do a character that you all like. Comment below what mermaid I should draw next, or what character I should draw as a mermaid anyway. Now, the first step of how I begin my process is looking for inspiration. Inspiration is what prevents me from getting artist block, and as long as I'm inspired, there's always something to draw. Hopefully, unless I didn't get sleep that night, then that's a whole nother story. The most important part of an art project, in my opinion anyways, is the plan before the art project. For this drawing, I felt it was important to really focus on what Anya would really wear as a mermaid. So I wanted something that was cute, modest, and fun for her personality. First of all, I was gonna do the black and gold colors of her school uniform, but then I thought of how that would look with the background. I was like, no, we're not doing that. So I went with the green and pink colors of her hair and eyes, and I was a lot more happy with that. I even paid attention to the embroidery on her dress and turned the gold embroidery into gauntlets and a belt for her new Mersana. That's what I like to call my mermaid character designs. Hey, you gotta have fun. My favorite thing that I have her wearing is the little Nautilus hair buns. They're so cute. That's my favorite part. I started with doing the contrast on the face, which was a bit risky because I was afraid that it would turn out, I don't know, harsh. But it ends up turning out really good, so I'm happy with it. And I even added blue in the hair. I wanted it to look glowy. And it worked! And now it looks like a boardwalk t-shirt. Do you think so? Like one of them airbrush t-shirts? It really pops on my wall. I really like it. And I'm even trying out my new style now. And I'm switching, if you didn't know, I used to do my own cartoon style, but now I am switching over to anime. So we're getting there one step at a time. And I hope that eventually I'll meet my artist goals. It's practice. As soon as I practice, I resent my older drawings. You can never have drawings that you're satisfied with because as soon as you do, they're old again. And now we are working on the tail, and I thought for Anya she would want a cute tail. Nothing too elaborate or fancy, just something simple for her, something fun. And then her little plushie, the Chimera. It was a lion, but I thought we need to make it an A Lotl because why wouldn't we? And plus a lion can't breathe underwater. I think it's a lion. I hope so. And I made it a unicorn too because, well, while I'm at it, why not? Why not? We'll do it all. The whole point of this drawing is to have as much fun as you can, and I love the outlet of creativity it provides, and I just love making anything a mermaid because I love underwater. I used to be a mermaid performer. Well, I still am, but it's just not as popular in the wintertime where I live. So maybe in the summer. So for now, I can live out my mermaid dreams through my art. I might do, well, I absolutely am going to be doing other stuff too, not just mermaids, but whenever it's time to draw a mermaid, I just have so much fun with it. It's just my thing. For the background, I wanted to go a little bit more simple as I really wanted to focus on Anya because if I made her too small, I wouldn't be able to get all the details and you would just get lost in the drawing. So we went with something more simple, and unfortunately the photos I was using for my lighting and color references, I ended up deleting. But I was done at that point. I just won't be able to show you guys what I looked at. I changed things a lot though, so it is my own original designs. I think we should all be creative and original. But you know, it does help to look at things for guidance. Now the water was a bit intimidating, so I just used impressionism as I laid down all the colors until I got the exact way I wanted things to be before I added on all the details. I'm really happy with how it all turned out because I just wasn't sure if I'd be able to get that underwater sunset, and I did. And I even added the reflection of the light at the bottom. You would have thought this took me a long time to draw, but ironically, this was one of my quicker drawings. Or maybe I'm just starting to get the hang of it because I've been making so many videos. I've never allowed myself the time to draw just back to back like that. What do you guys think? It's all done. I love it. It's cute. I want to thank everyone who has recently joined the channel, as it has really motivated me to continue, and I'm so excited to see where this journey goes. That's all for now, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!